Hi everybody, it's the Yuki once again giving you guys today's tutorial on the Mudae game. Today's tutorial is going to be for the Waifu Arena addition to the Mudae game. Some people do not know what the Waifu Arena is, and some people try to play it but they do not know what it is. So I want to teach you guys how to get started with the Mudae game's Waifu Arena. So before we get started, make sure you have a channel for the Waifu Arena. WAIFU WAIFU ARENA REARENA. Make sure you have a Waifu Arena channel for your game, for your server, okay? Next, you need to also have at least the Mudae Bot. The Mudae Maid is also optional, but I would say make sure you have the Mudae Bot. The link will be in the description below. Now, before we get started, I want you guys to run $help. $help will send you a DM in case you need help with the Mudae game, but there is a reason why we're doing this for the Waifu Arena. So you go to your DMs, you're going to go all the way down to where it says Waifu Arena. This is very important now because there's going to be a link here that you're going to need. This link will give you a bot called Mudae GM. So when we click that link, you're supposed to get this stuff here. Make sure you add the bot to the correct server that you wanted to have in, where your Mudae game is. I already did this step, so we're going ahead and move on to our the next part of the setup. Now that we have the Mudae bot for the Mudae GM, we need to go to the Waifu Arena, and this part is optional. Alright? Now, make sure you disable all Mudae based games and other stuff here by going to channel deny all mod, all games, waifu, all other, all, and all other. Alright? Do not put all mod because we might need that just in case we make a mistake. Alright? Now, let's set up the game here for you guys. Now that we already have the GM bot there, as you guys can see over here, we can start playing with the arena. So to get started, if you guys want to go directly to getting set up to skills, that's what we're going to be doing. So before we run anything, I'm going to allow $MM, and then I'm going to actually run that. The reason why we're doing this is because we're going to need a character for our arena. Now, you're lucky today because I actually have my phone with me, and the reason why that is lucky is because we're going to need 2 players for our Mudae Waifu Arena. What I'm going to do is invite myself to this server. Basically, I'm inviting myself. I'm inviting the one with the Kobe Bryant picture there. So once I get that in there, I'm going to join my own server. Alright. Now that I'm in here, this is the one with the Kobe Bryant picture. I'm going to run on my other phone here, $MM. as well. Now I'm going to claim somebody for this particular game here. I'm gonna just claim one random character here. Oh, here we go. Nice. So now that I did that for the other one, we're going to run Arena. And just in case you guys want to know who I claimed for the other character, it's going to be Blue Diamond from Steven Universe. Now remember, I just claimed them just because I want to make sure we have some material for you. Now let's go back to the Waifu Arena and let's run $ Arena. So here is the $ Arena when you run it. So let's read it very carefully. So we're going to assign our skills to a character before we get started, okay? To do so, we're going to keep this in mind, alright? Do so, $ skills. Then we're going to need to name a character. We're going to need to use a name of a character. I'm going to use this one right here. This one right here. Copy and paste. Then I'm going to assign 5 numbers to add to 5. You only get 5 skill points, okay? And I'm going to explain the skills in just a moment. I'm going to put 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, and that's it. Oh wait, channel allow. Oops. Alright, let's do that one more time. So 1, 1, 1, 2, and then 0. There we go. So this character now has skills here. I'm gonna do it for the same thing for my other one. $ skills. And I'm gonna put Blue Diamond. Please remember spelling count, and I'm gonna put 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 0, and then 2. Oh, oops. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's my fault. The skills, and then character name, and it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 0, 1. There we go. Blue Diamond has skills and Akiko has skills now. So what do these mean? So the first number is for your yandere skill, and that's your attack. The second number is for your sudere, which is your defense and attack in this case. Udere is for your third number, that's defense in this case. Dandere is for your study points, which I will talk about in just a moment. And finally, your dere is your health point, and that's going to be your 5th number. Now keep in mind, each character has their own HP when we get started with the battles. Now let's get on to actually selecting our players here. So Blue Diamond is for my second account. I'm going to use Akiko just to give you some taste of how it works here. And we're going to fight $ Arena again. And then we're going to put $ F, the name of the character, and then we get started. So $ F, Akiko, And then I'm going to put on my other one $F blue diamond. Alright? And then when it's ready, we're going to type in $go. $go. And there it is. The fight begins right away after 40 seconds, or if you type in $go. So let's talk about the commands here. This first one is to attack. This one is to defend. This is to scout or study the environment. And this one is the strawberry. The strawberry will let you reduce the defense, the attack, and the study points of your opponent. I'm going to have blue diamond attack here, and then Akiko will also attack here. As you can see, both of us attacked, both of us did damage, and we're still good. I'm going to have the second character, blue diamond, study using the book. And as you guys can see, Akiko finds some spillable tea, enemy note, treats wasted. The skill point, I should say, the study point is -4. Blue diamond actually finds a message from the future. And the next item found will have a rarity of +15 more. So blue diamond is in the lead in terms of studying. Okay? Now let's do some defending here for both characters. So both of our defenses went up by 2, so nothing does there. I'm going to attack with Akiko. They're going to attack with blue diamond. So far we're doing the same damage. Now let's study again though. Do some studying. Oh, here we go. Akiko finds a private lesson, +4 study. Blue diamond found a papyrus for +2 study points. So that's going to be nice. I'm going to study again. So, Akiko finds a mysterious portrait. My attack goes up by 3, my defense goes up by 1, and my study points go up by 1. Blue diamond finds a transponder snail. Attack +3. Okay, now it looks fun right now, right? Let's see what happens when we continue here. I'm gonna study again with Akiko, and then looks like I'm gonna hit the lead here. Akiko gets a violin, +4 attack points and +3 study points. Blue diamond finds spillable tea. Same thing with Akiko, -4 study points. So let's go ahead and attack here. And remember, you need to wait for the other player to attack too. Ooh, Akiko takes the lead a bit here. No, actually -1. So Akiko attacks for 10. Blue diamond attacks for 7. Now, we're going to use the attack again. But this time, blue diamond is going to defend. And Akiko will attack for 10 straight. Attack again with Akiko. Oh, we have an event. Sometimes there's going to be an event here. So what happens is, some event will allow you to raise your stats. Depending on which event, you have to react to the one that's in play. In this case, we have send your wishes to Outer and Vega. So you get to raise the skill you want. I'm going to go for a Akiko attack. I'm going to do the same thing for Blue Diamond. Alright? And both of us got attack power. And we're going to attack again. For this turn, boom! Look at that. So our attack power just went way up thanks to that event. Right now it's turn number 11. You keep going until somebody has 0 HP. Now, what happens if you want to check your items? $ inventory, I believe, or $ items. One of those two is going to work for sure. Okay, it's $I. Is gonna. No, it's not. Let's see. So we're gonna keep going here. It's gonna be this one right here. Go ahead, attack with both. So right now, Akiko has a lead by 1. So we're not gonna be able to finish this off this turn. I do, however, want to study. Oh, looks like baseball bat for Blue Diamond, and 5 attack points. This could be interesting. I'm gonna study again. Ooh, look at that chocolate box. But does that means the chocolate box raises my HP by 4? Blue Diamond finds a basketball. Attack plus 3. He's gonna attack though. I'm gonna attack too. Ooh, Blue Diamond went up by 3 points on that one. Now this could be for a tie or the win, depending on what happens here. Okay, we might have a win. We'll see. Blue Diamond is gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it. And your winner is Blue Diamond. There you go. So Blue Diamond wins that one. Thanks to some luck, of course. So that's how the Waifu Arena works, guys. Now, you can actually do teams. All you have to do is $F 1, 2, 3, or 4 plus the name of the character, and you're going to join that team. Now the team is going to be either blue, red, black, or white, depending on what number you put. Okay. INV is your inventory, by the way. Check this out. Make sure you use INV to check your inventory, not items. That was my fault. Okay. Now, what do you get for winning the Mudae game? Well, on my server, I'm working on a point system for my server, at least. Now, it's not required that you do that, but you can if you like. Alright? Now, another thing you guys can do is, let's say you do have some type of tournament or some type of league system. You guys can do like Mudae Waifu Arena Battlers, and you can do like a season mode where you can choose one fighter, and that's the fighter you're going to play with the rest of the season. And then whoever comes up on top, you can reward them with like a gift card or something nice. You know what I mean? That's how the Waifu Arena works. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it's a little bit short, but if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. And check out the other Mudae tutorials, including the how to play and how to moderate. I have both of those up on my YouTube channel for you guys. My next tutorial is not going to be for a while, because I'll be out of town and I'll be doing some stuff. But our next tutorial is going to be on making a server specifically for Mudae. We're going to be making I'm going to give you guys step-by-step rules and instruction on how to use your Mudae server for Discord, okay? That's all for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time.